Let's draw some shapes in Xcode today. Xcode, create a new Xcode project, single view app. Next. So let's give a name. Shapes. Okay. Yeah, make sure here we are using Swift programming language. Next. Create. So like what we did before, we need to create a view file here. So right click here and new file, Cocoa Touch class. Yes. Next. Make sure the subclass of is UI view. Yeah, it's already there. Cool. So our shapes view. Next. Create. Let's uncomment this one because we need this draw function to put our drawing code in, and we can delete that by using a shortcut key combination, Command D, and put the cursor here, delete that, and delete this one. Cool, we are ready to go. And we need to add a view in our main storyboard. So click here, main.storyboard. We'll select our favorite template, iPad Pro 9.7 inch. Use the trackpad with our 2 fingers to adjust the size like that. Okay, so click this button here. Add a view. This guy. Drag and drop. Let's change is click the 4th icon here to change its background color to something like that. Okay. Adjust its size so we have canvas, so we can draw our shapes there. Yeah, let's use a different color scheme today. Maybe we can change the background view to this color and change back this to white. Why not? No, this is not white. Background color, white color is here. Nice. Now we still need to do something like that. So select this, the 3rd icon, to change the class from the default UI view to our shape type shape view. Yes, this one is our view. Enter. Now let's run it. Oh, change the simulator to this one, 9.7 inch, and Command R to run it. Yes, it works. You see our white rectangle on the background of light gray. Okay, so now let's stop it and click here. If you like, you can move up to put this guy somewhere here, but it doesn't matter. And make this one smaller, and we can hide the right hand panel. We don't need that. And we can even hide the navigation panel here by clicking this icon, so we have more room here, so we can see both the simulator. Make it smaller. Yeah. Okay, let's draw a triangle first. So we'll create a triangle path equals UIBezierpath UIB. Yes. And triangle path dot move to point. Let's say 100, maybe 120 to 150 is our first point. No, I think we can put it here, like 200, and now we can triangle path dot at line 2, the second point. So 200, and this one will go to 100, and going down to 300. Let's take a look at this one before we continue. Dot stroke. Yeah, run it. So this is a single line, not a triangle yet, but we'll add the second edge shortly. Cool. So we start from here. We move our point to here. So this is 200, and the y is 150. So this is our first point, and we add line to this point. So here is 100, and here the y is 300. So we move to this point, add line to this point. Now we don't need to move our point to here and draw another line there. We can keep adding a line to another point. So that's the plan. That's the difference from our previous video. We can keep adding line like that. Triangle dot add line, enter, opening parentheses, and use this one. So we'll add 250, and the y, let's keep it horizontal, so y is 300 again. Now let's run it by clicking pressing Command R. Cool. So we start from this point, add a line to this point, and add another line to our third point. Do we need to add the last line to here? No. Thanks to Xcode, we can use dot close. Let's see, run it. So you will close the opening automatically for us because the system already knows where our start point is. This is our triangle. Now, let's make the lines thicker. Triangle. I always type TRA. I don't know why. Dot line width equals 3. By default, is 1. Run it again. Now let's change its color. So what we can do is type UI color dot pick a color, say orange, dot set stroke. Let's see. Yes, orange. Now let's fill this shape using triangle path dot fill. By default, you will use black color. We can also set the fill color. So UI color dot, let's use blue, dot fill. No, set fill. Sorry, set fill. Yes, run it. Cool. Let's draw another shape quickly. Let maybe rectangle. Rect path equals UIBezierpath and rect path dot move to point, enter, opening parentheses. Let's go to 300 and 300. I just use some easy number. Rect path dot at line to point. Let's go to 500 and 500. Let's see how it looks like. Dot stroke. Run it. no, that's not I want it. So here the Y should be 300, and by default it will use the previously set color, so it's the orange. Let's use our own color. So this time we'll use a different way to set the color. Type color literal, so it's here. Select this one, color literal dot set stroke, and double click this guy. We have unlimited selection for our favorite color. Let's use this one. Okay, and let's see. Let's keep going. So rect path dot add another line, enter opening parentheses. Just go down, so we'll keep the x same, y to 600. Okay, let's see. Nice, so we can keep going to this point and then close. Yeah. So rect path dot add another line, enter opening parentheses. So this time we'll keep y the same. So x will go back to 300. No, yes, and do dot close, and we'll set the line width, line to this time. Let's use 5. Run it. Yes. What about filling it with green color? So color literal, yes, dot set fill. Let's change its color to green, and the rect path dot fill. Run it. That's it for today. See you next time.